Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Alright, I am talking a little loud because there's a heater right underneath the camera that's facing toward me. It is right now 27 degrees outside with a real feel of between 17 and 18 degrees. I've got two heaters. I had to turn the other one off just so you could hear me. So it's going to get chilly in here really fast. As you can tell, I'm all bundled up. So let's get down to this. I'm going to be doing my tips and tricks, and I've got some mail call. And one of the mail calls is from Camel Dave. We'll get to the mail call after the tips and tricks. So be right back. Welcome back. Alright, we're going to start off right away because I don't want the video to get too long here because with the mail call. Alright, first tip is how to skim the fat off of soups or sauces without getting all the other good stuff with it. You get yourself a metal ladle. You put some ice cubes in it, and you just dip the ladle just barely into the soup, just enough to coat the bottom and get the fat. It will stick to it when you bring it out. It will like freeze up, and you can just scoop it right off. It looks like a little cup of fat. But that is one of the best ways to do it. Alright. And just peel it off or even just wipe it off. But it sticks, it really draws in the fat. Tip number 2. Do you have stale chips? You know, sometimes you open up a bag of chips and you may not touch it for 3 or 4 days. You open back up and it started to get stale. Let me give you the hint. Put the chips in a bowl and then put a separate cup of water in a microwave. Now, so you microwave it about 30 seconds and it'll give you the desired freshness that you want. You don't want to over microwave it because then it'll start collecting the moisture and become soggy. So I would say check it after 20 seconds and then check it again at 30 seconds. I would not go any longer than that. Alright. Tip number 3. How to eat Oreos in milk without getting your fingers in it and getting the whole Oreo cookie sopping with milk. Alright. You get a fork. You stick it in the center with the white gooey stuff. Oh, the best part of the cookie. You press it together and you dip the fork with the cookie inside the milk. It is so good. But with the diet, I know right now I'm just thinking about the stuff. I'm not gaining any weight because I'm just thinking about it. Tip number 4. How to press and seal food in a bag without a machine. You know how sometimes if you put your steaks or meat or anything in a plastic baggie and you put it in the freezer and then you come back to it later, it's got freezer burn. It's because air has gotten into it. You're not able to seal it up really tight so that it won't get the freezer burn. The best way to do this is put the food in the Ziploc bag. Zip it up most of the way, leave a little air hole in it. Then you get a big bowl of water or a pan of water. You don't need to heat it or nothing. Just slowly immerse it, but all the way to the top, and don't cover it because you don't want water getting into it. And then zip it up. When you bring it out, guess what? There's no air in the bag. Less chance of getting freezer burn. Alright, let's go to tip number 5. How to keep your strawberries fresher longer. You know how sometimes you buy like one of those plastic containers of strawberries and 2 days later you go in the refrigerator and it's already started to mold? Best way to keep it fresh. Now, the container that the strawberries come in have holes in it to be able to breathe. Get a bowl of water, about 2 to 3 cups, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Submerge the strawberries, bring back up and shake out gently the water, and then just put it in the fridge. Days later, you won't have spoiled strawberries. Alright, tip number 6. How to keep your bread from getting moldy so fast. This one, a lot of people don't know. You open up your bread bag, you get a stalk of celery, you slide it in on the side. You seal it back up. If you come back to that bread a week later, it's still fresh from the day you bought it. Tip number 7. How to keep your cookies soft in a cookie jar. You know how when you first bake them, they're nice and soft. You put them in a cookie jar. You may not eat them all right away. You come back to it later, they're starting to harden up and they get a little harder. Another thing, you don't realize it. You put in a slice of bread with it. It keeps them moist. I know a lot of things have to do with a slice of bread. Last time it was about the brown sugar. Bread has a lot of uses besides eating. Tip number 8. How do you keep your milk longer without spoiling? Alright, when you bring it home, add a couple shakes of salt in it. No, it's not going to make it salty, but it will keep it fresher even past the date. Tip number 9. How to keep bananas from turning brown so fast. When you bring them home, you can either, if you put it in one of those plastic bags, take it out of that plastic bag, stretch out that plastic bag, wrap it around the upper part, or get foil and put around that upper part where the bananas connect. Just keep that on there and your bananas will stay so much fresher. Okay, last but not least, number 10. How to keep your onions up to 6 months fresh. If you buy onions in a bulk and you don't use them a lot, but you find a good deal and you want to be able to save them without them continuously to grow or get moldy or get soggy or soft, purchase some nylon. Put one down on the bottom of one foot, tie a knot. Get another one put in and just tie a knot. You can keep your onions up to 6 months that way. Alright, well that's my tips and tricks for this time. So let's get on to mail call.
You've got mail.
Welcome back. Alright, I got 3 pieces of mail. I love receiving mail, even if it's just a card. So if you want to send me a card, I love it. I will definitely give you a shout out to it. And I just love receiving mail. Alright, so here we go for the first one. Izzy finally got her Christmas card. It only took, I think she sent it on the 19th. No, I'm sorry. The 12th of December. Alright, I received it about a week and a half ago. I just haven't had a chance to get to the mail call yet. And it is now the 19th here. So, that's, so a week and a half ago, that would probably been around, I would say the 10th, is when I finally received it. Beautiful, beautiful card. She made them herself. It's her Christmas card. I'm not going to show you her address unless she wants to give it to you. But she also has all these stamps on it. Let me see if I can get a good close-up. Hopefully it focuses in. And now, hopefully, it focuses back. I'm very seriously thinking about getting another camera. We'll see. We'll see how the funds do on that one. Alright. Izzy, thank you so much. I'm keeping this one because it was specially made. Alright. On to the next one. I got another Christmas card. And it was from B. Athens, one of my subscribers. Now, look up here in this corner here. I took a picture of the back. You're all going to laugh about it. So, especially another subscriber. She saw what he sent me, the Doxinator sent me, and how he addressed the envelope. She addressed the envelope the same exact way. Of course, up here you probably can see that. And so let's take a look at what she said. I don't want to rip the envelope here. Here we go. Because I'm saving. That's cute. Alright, it is a beautiful Christmas card here. And she sent me a little tiny stocking. That is so cute. Thank you, Beathens. Alright, she says, here's a little stocking for your tree to go along with the ones in front of this card. I can't cook, but I like to sew. And she says, have a super saucy Christmas and a great 2020. Beathens. Now she did send a note to explain the picture on the back. Hi, Saucy. I know I misspelled Towboat. But when Camo Dave, it wasn't Camo Dave, by the way, it was Doxinator, accidentally put Towboat, spelled T-O-E, on your card, I thought it was funny, so I copied it. Enjoy the little boat on the envelope, too. Trust me, I am. I just subbed, and I'm looking forward to watching you this year. And good luck in the Cammys. Beathens. She came over from Camel Dave's channel or Life with Aaron's. I'm not sure which one. Probably Camel Dave's. And she saw the awards being done. And I guess that's when she decided to write this. Well, that brings up the subject of the Camel Awards. The Cammy Awards. Oh, I have my scissors. I haven't even opened it up yet, so I haven't seen it. So we're all going to see it together. The other two, unfortunately, I did open it up. I had to. It was just too cute. Alright. Here we go. Well, first off, really, Camel Dave? I got two of these. The red, I bet you I know where you had them made at. Beathens, I bet you made these, didn't you? Alright. That's cute. I got a pencil. And of course it says Camel Dave on it. I got 2019, and of course it's got a sticker on here. From 2018, they put a sticker from 2019 and reused them. So I got a big sticker for the Cammy Awards. And here we go. Whoops. And of course I got a sticker for the official Camel Dave Camo Club. Okay. I guess I belong because I got this. And a little statues and a sticker written on there. Saucy Towboat Chef, winner 2019 Cammys. Okay, there we go. It's a little off-centered, but okay. There we go. I thought you were going to have it engraved. I guess I got to get it engraved if I want it to look official. It is cute. That's a smile. Alright. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my channel. Tomorrow is my weigh-in. And I feel lighter. I believe I'm much lighter, but I'm going to officially weigh in the morning. And I'm going to show you how I make my chicken and cabbage wraps. So stay tuned for that video. If you want to follow along with my weigh-in, I will put a card up here of my first video, and it's going to be in a playlist down in, which I'll put at the end, my playlist there. So, and then check out tomorrow's video too, because somebody made one of my recipes and sent me pictures. I will be posting those pictures and doing a shout out for that YouTuber. And if you, anybody of you make any of my recipes, take pictures, send them to me, and I'll give you that same shout out as well. Alright, thank you all again for watching my channel and supporting me in my weigh-ins and supporting this channel. You all have a great and awesome day. Oh, by the way, if you're a new subscriber, click on subscribe. Click on that thumbs up. Click on that little bell so you get more notifications. And if you're a new subscriber and wonder why I'm not out on the towboat, it's winter time. The rivers are frozen. We can't set sail up and down the... Well, we don't sail. But we can't go up and down the upper rivers. So, till the rivers defrost, I'm stuck at home. And I will be doing some videos from around here. Alright. You all have a great and awesome day. Bye-bye.